I have here 500 grams of chicken. It's mixed chicken pieces and 700 grams of baby spinach leaves. So here I have niblets and the legs and the drumstick. You can have just off the bone chicken breast, but I like the bony bits, that's why I choose this. So first of all, in a pan I have 2 tablespoons of oil, and in here I will fry the chicken. I have added teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it to chicken before frying them. In low heat, cover the lid up and fry it for about 10 minutes each side. Turn it over after 10 minutes. So each side cooks for 10 minutes. It's important the flame is low to medium. We do not want to over fry them. So leave this side for another 10 minutes. Now both sides are done. I will take the chicken. Use that chicken stock and the oil to cook the dish. So here on oil, I'm adding 2 finely chopped onions, and garlic and ginger paste, and salt to taste, and leave that for 5 to 7 minutes. And the baby spinach needs to be finely cut. You can use the canned spinach here if you have short time, but I prefer fresh spinach. So after finely chopped, I've added to the onions in a pan, and after about 15 to 20 minutes I add the spices. So I have written the details in the description box. The green chili powder is to individual taste how hot your taste buds are. So leave that for another 10 minutes and then add the chicken, the fried chicken, the chicken we fried earlier. Mix it properly together and then add 2 spoons of yogurt and finely chopped 1 tomatoes. Mix it together. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes with bell icon on so you get notification. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Now we have spinach chicken, saag ghost with chicken. Thank you for watching.